चंदा चमके चम चीखे चौकन्ना चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी खो
Are you all ready to have some fun? An inception of a dream, a step towards progress, and a landmark moment we all have been waiting for. Crucial as this event is, we are thrilled to embark on this journey together.
What an honor it is to officially inaugurate our Kids Day celebration with the magnificently inspiring theme Muskurahat. Please join us and give a big round of applause for a great grand stage opening ceremony of today's function. Our theme is Muskurahat, Muskurahat, Muskurahat.
चंदा चमके चम चीखे चौकन्ना चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी खो चंदा चमके चम चीखे चौकन्ना चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी खो कितना मुश्किल है ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना चंदा चीनी चमके चाटे चौकन्ना चीखे चंदा चमके
Please welcome our talented students as they present a beautiful prayer dance. Put our hands together for our performance.
परमेश्वर चाहे मेरी तेरे निवास स्थान में रहने की
परमेश्वर चाहत है मेरी तेरे निवास स्थान में रहने की
चल कपट से रख मेरी दिल कसम से कर मैं प्यार तू ही सुन ले मेरी दुआएं
चल कपट से रख मेरे दिल कसम से कर मैं प्यार तू ही सुन ले मेरी दुआएं हे परमेश्वर चाहत है मेरी तेरे निवास स्थान में रहने की
What an uplifting way to kindle the proceeding of the day. Thank you, prayer dance group. At this juncture, I would like to invite our principal sister, whose dedication and efforts have been instrumental in realizing this day, to guide us through their journey and enlighten us with her words.
Please welcome our visionary leader on the stage.
My soul magnifies the Lord. My spirit rejoices in my God Savior. Our esteemed guest, His Excellency, Right Reverend Dr. James Attikalam, Mr. Harshal Chowdhury, Mr. Umar Soni, Mr. Sadish Srivastava, Reverend Father Sabu, our respected manager, all dear Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, all the invited dignitaries, my dear parents, teaching and supporting staff, and the stars of the day. Wishing you all a delightful afternoon. I'm highly thrilled and feel privileged to welcome you all this glorious event. Nirmala family presenting you the talents of the blooming stars through a theme called Muskurahat. Ladies and gentlemen, Annual Day is a time to celebrate the achievements and the milestones of the past year. It's an opportunity to recognize the hard work, dedication, and the talents of the staff and the students. Today, we come together as a community to reflect on the progress, to celebrate the success, and to look forward to the future with hope and enthusiasm. But before that, a hug of words of welcome to you all from the bottom of my heart. King David was a prominent leader chosen by God to be the second king of Israel, and he ruled with a heart. Similarly, we have a great visionary leader with us, whose presence reminds us the power of determination and the pursuits of the excellence. We are here to honor the President of the Society, His Excellency, Right Reverend Dr. James Attikulam, the Bishop of Sagar. Dear Bishop Ji, we are grateful to you for the unwavering support, and your leadership and guidance have been instrumental in shaping our Nirmalites. Now, I request Reverend Father Anthony, a school manager, to honor our Bishop Ji with a shawl. A school head boy with a sapling.
अरे उसको बोलो कि अंदर में आना है
Leaders become great not because of their power, but because their ability to empower others. A powerful, an energetic, and innovative young leader is with us. Yes, we have an eminent and vibrant leader is with us today. That is none other than Mr. Harshal Chowdhury, the Sub-Divisional Magistrate of Siranj. Thank you, sir, for joining us today out of his busy schedule. And I take this opportunity to express my gratitude for all the support and guidance you are giving to us. It's with a great proud and honor we welcome you from the bottom of our heart. Now I request our Vice Principal, Sister Nelsie, to honor our SDM with a shawl, our school head girl with a sapling. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. We have a great leader who inspires in every step of our education system. He is a great human being with a value and skill. It's my great privilege to welcome our block education officer, Mr. Umesh Soni, with an appreciation and gratitude. Thank you, sir, for joining us today, and your guidance is a strong tool for us to run our institution more bright and smooth. Now I request Mother Limi to honor our BO with a shawl, and Mr. Mahesh, our staff secretary, with a sapling. Now, I would like to welcome dear Reverend Father Sabu, the Vicar General, the Educational Secretary of the Society, and the Manager of St. Mary's School, Macronia. He is a man with a full of patience, foresight, resilience, and hard work. Thank you, Father, for joining us today. And I take this opportunity to thank you for all the timely support to this institution. Now I request our PTA Vice President, Mr. Sadish Srivastava, to honor our Father Sabu with a sapling. समय है हमारे प्रिय पालकगण के स्वागत का। पालकगण जो निर्मला परिवार के आधार स्तंभ है, जिनके विश्वास एवं सहयोग से ये परिवार निरंतर उन्नति के पद पर अग्रसर है। आप सभी ने दिया है आपका प्रेम, स्नेह एवं सहयोग, उसके लिए मैं आपकी बहुत आभारी हूँ और दिल से धन्यवाद देती हूँ। आज आप अपने व्यस्त समय में से अमूल्य समय निकालकर नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित हुई है। मैं आप सभी का हृदय तल से स्वागत करती हूँ, वंदन करती हूँ, अभिनंदन करती हूँ। Now I request Mrs. Pratibha, a female staff secretary, to honor with a sapling of representative Mr. Sadish Srivastava. Let me extend a warm welcome to all the invited dignitaries, especially all the Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, the principals and the managers of the neighboring school, BRC officers and the police staff, all dear my parents, teaching and supporting staff and my beloved children. Your presence is a blessing for us. It shows the love and care to this institution. Let us welcome all the invited people with a huge round of applause that fill with love and respect. Please clap us welcome. Last but not least, I would like to welcome and extend my sincere thanks to my teaching and non-teaching staff and all their family members. It would not be happen or success without your support and hard work. Once again, I welcome you all to this auspicious occasion and wishing you an enjoyable day. Also, I wish you all the seasonal greetings of Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you all. May God bless.
Thank you, our beloved Principal Sister Tansy, for welcoming our guest. Khushi, after welcome speech, now it's a time to match your feet with the rhythm of welcome dance performers. Please put your hands together for them.
हमारे रंग बिरंगे गुजरात हम अतिथियों का स्वागत तिलक लगाकर करते हैं।
स्वागत करा
सम्मानित अतिथियों एवं माननीय पालकगण का तहे दिल से हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं, स्वागत करते हैं।
Thank you, Welcome Dance Group, for your wonderful performance. To accent and dancing light into our dreams, aspiring to long-term dedication. And prayer to our God, I would like to invite our Bishop, Right Reverend Dr. James Atikalam, SCM, Mr. Harshal Chaudhary, BEO, Mr. Umesh Soni, and Reverend Father Mr. Sabu, and PTA member Vice President Mr. Satish Srivastav, and our manager and principal sister, and our star kids for lighting the lamp as a inaugural inspiration.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्थं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्थं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य दिष्टे ध्रुवे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं
Thank you all the dignitaries. Maham, it is our pleasure to present the annual report highlighting our achievements, milestones and progress over the past year. Yes, Ayansh, we proudly present our annual report, a testament to our dedication and hard work. Now, with a memorable applause, I would like to invite our fellow mates to express our journey. Smile is a curve that sets everything straight. True to the sentiment, the Kids' Day celebration at our school, Muskurahat, radiates joy and warmth through every performance. Education is believed as a part of transcending the merely human. It pertains the rise of a new dawn and free and a bright horizon. Nembla Convent School reaffirms the promise in nurturing the young minds through multifarious endeavors in academics and co-curricular domains. Good afternoon, everyone. Esteemed guests, invited dignitaries, respected fathers, reverend sisters, well-wishers, loving teachers and non-teaching staff, dear parents and my dear friends. Welcome to the celebrations of achievements and memory as we gather today to reflect a year filled with academic excellence, creative endeavors and spirit of unity that define our school community. I am Avni and I am thrilled to be here with Gaurang to share the highlights of this remarkable year. Shall we begin, Gaurang? Of course, and we are indeed honored to have this opportunity to present before you the Annual Report 2024. With a milestone, crossing the 51st year of the school, Nembla Convent Higher Secondary School is continuing its eventful journey with extremely vibrant students from nursery to class 12, sincere and dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff. We have thus evolved, tried and tested format to make education more experiential, holistic, integrated, discovery-oriented, learner-centered and above all enjoyable. A significant transition this year was the appointment of our new principal, Reverend Dr. Sister Tansy. Under her dynamic leadership, the school has continued its tradition in academic excellence while embracing new initiatives to foster holistic development.
and excellence in the academic year has been the hallmark of the school. It's a moment of pride and sense of achievement. To share with you all some of the glorious stars achieved during the academic year as you all know, scholastic and co-scholastic area go hand in hand in Nirmala Convent Higher Secondary School.
We are proud to introduce the academic achievers of CBSE Board Examination 2023-24. Somil Agrawal is a school topper of class 12, securing 94.4% in commerce stream, and Siddhi Mittal secured 91.6% in science stream.
The topper of class 10 are Ansh Sharma and Krishnam Nema equally secured 95.4% revision when extra coaching is given before the midterm and annual examination to ensure apt preparation for the exam. Open days are held after exam. Parents are given an opportunity to interact with the teacher and get to know about the performance of their works.
Apart from regular classes, the school has provided remedial classes after regular school hours. This is the opportunity given to them to focus on their studies, learn better and score better. Let's move on to some exciting competitions.
Apart from preparing the children for purely academic demand, special efforts are being continuously done to face the challenges of the competitive world.
Having a clear position in your mind, every activity in our school is planned to form intellectually, develop emotionally, mature, morally, upright, spiritually enlightened citizen who are able to dedicate selfless survival to the society and the nation.
We the Nimalites have added more feathers to our cap in co-scholarist activities too. School Taekwondo team participated in CPSE West Zone Taekwondo Championship held at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Ashpit Nagina won bronze in junior sub category and Kunal Mishra secured bronze in junior category.
School volleyball team participated in CBSE West Zone Volleyball Championship 2024 held at Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh.
Tanya Sharma bagged silver medal under 16 kg and Jasmine Ashia and Abbas the black medal 16 kg and 25 kg respectively in the 36th Taekwondo Championship held at Vidisha on 13 November 2024.
The student from class 11 and 12 ahead participated and won the inter-school debate competition on the use of mobile held at Sanskar Green Valley School, Siraj.
The cricket team of Nimla participated in the zonal level cricket tournament and securing the second position. Nimlites recently participated in the zonal level dance tournament and succeeds to score third position.
There can be no doubt in 2024 a year of considerable challenges and achievement for us grace of Almighty. We have accomplished so much about the patient support of management, PTA staff and others of wishes of Nirmala Government Higher Secondary School. We look forward to seeing support and guidance of your futures endeavors.
Sure, at Nimla, we believe that competitions play a vital role in fostering holistic development. This year, our students showcased their talents, determination and teamwork through variety of contests, both academics and co-curricular.
Food carving. We had a unique and creative fruit and vegetable carving competition where parents and students turned vegetable into beautiful art. It was a blend of creativity and teamwork.
Parents and Children Dance Competition. Avni, wasn't the Parents and Children Dance Competition an absolute delight? I still can't get over the energy on that stage.
Exactly, Gaurang. It was such a beautiful sight, parents and children dancing together in perfect harmony. You could feel the joy radiating from every performance.
Smiley Drawing Competition. Avni, do you remember the Smiley Drawing Competition? The creativity on display was absolutely amazing.
Of course, Gaurang, it was incredible to see how each student brought their own interpretation of a smile to life, from vibrant colors to unique designs. Every painting told a different story.
Paper Bag Making Competition. The paper bag making competition was truly something special, don't you think?
Definitely. It was incredible to see how something as simple as paper could be turned into such creative and useful items. The students really put their imagination to work.
Herbarium Competition. Avni, what do you think about the herbarium competition? Wasn't it a perfect blend of nature and creativity?
Absolutely. It was fascinating to see how each student carefully collected, pressed and displayed different plant specimens. Each entry felt like a tribute to nature's beauty.
The Garba competition. The Garba competition was pure magic. The energy, color and the rhythm was absolutely electrifying.
Totally, it was like a stepping into whirlwind, a vibrant lehenga, swirling dupattas and dazzling smile. Every step, every drill felt like a celebration of life itself. Oscar Educational Trust Competition, the Rising Star Competition, was a burst of creativity and imagination, wasn't it?
Absolutely, from handwriting, drawing, clay modeling and card making and paper collage making and various other competition to intricate craft work. The student would transform simple material into masterpiece. It was like stepping into colorful art gallery.
Talent Hunt Competition, one of the highlights, has been participated this year in Science Olympiad Foundation Competition. Students from various subjects took part, showcasing their passion for learning and innovation.
From mathematics to science, English to general knowledge, these competitions challenge our students to think critically and solve problems creatively and expand their knowledge beyond the classroom.
Rangoli Competition, Utkarsh, the Rangoli competition was a vibrant explosion of colors and creativity, wasn't it?
Sure, the student really transformed floor into beautiful work of art. Each rangoli was a perfect blend of tradition, creativity and precision. The bright color and intricate design, everything came together so beautifully.
Rakhi making competition. The Rakhi making competition was absolutely heartwarming, don't you think? Definitely. It was wonderful to see the students creating such beautiful, intricate Rakhis with their own hands. The creativity they brought into every design was truly inspiring. Club activity. Apart from this, we proudly introduce a varieties of clubs, namely Literary Club, Match Club, Mass and Media Club, Science Club, Socials Club, Peace Club, Health and Wellness Club and Sports Club, and the nurturing the diverse talents and interests of our students. This club provide a platform to explore their passion, develop new skills and collaborate with peers through various activities and contests.
We conclude the previous year with the grand celebration of our school Golden Jubilee, a milestone that highlights 50 years of excellence in education. It was a memorable event that brought together alumni, staff, students and dignitaries in a spirit of joy and gratitude.
This year at Nimala Convent High Secondary School, we celebrated a variety of vibrant and meaningful events that showcased the spirit of joy, unity and enthusiasm within our school community. Christmas celebration, the carol singing was such a highlight. The students sang with so much enthusiasm and joy. And the Santa Claus surprise, the kids were so excited and their faces lit up with pure delight when they saw him.
Yes, it was magical. Christmas at school wasn't just about celebration. It is about spreading cheer, warmth, joy of giving and making everyone feel special.
National Youth Day celebration. Utkarsh, National Youth Day celebration was such an inspiring celebration, don't you think?
Yes, it is a day to honor the energy, creativity and potential of our young mind. The speeches and activity really brought out the importance of youth in shaping the future.
Republic Day. The Republic Day celebrations were truly memorable, weren't they? Absolutely, the entire event was filled with pride, patriotism and enthusiasm. The flag hosting ceremony was so dignified and the performances by the students added such vibrancy to the day. Farewell. Shreya, the class 12 farewell summer was such an emotional and beautiful occasion, wasn't it? Absolutely, Devangi. It was bittersweet seeing the senior leave, but the event was filled with so many heartfelt moments, especially speeches and memories they shared. Holy celebrations. Remember last March, Devangi, when the students dressed up as Radha and Krishna for the holy celebration? It was so much fun. Absolutely. They were looking amazing in those traditional outfits and being holy with flowers instead of colors made it so special. I loved having the Gopikas with us too. Summer Day. Shreya, the Summer Day celebration was so refreshing. Weren't they? The activities and fun-filled games really brought out the spirit of the season. Absolutely, the cool drinks, games and lively music made it a perfect way to beat the heat and celebrate summer together with all the students.
School reopening. Summer week, the reopening ceremony after summer vacation on June 18 was an exciting start to the new academic year, wasn't it?
Absolutely, Saman. After the summer
summer break, the energy in the school was infectious. The students and staff were all set for a year filled with learning and growth.
Yes, and it was wonderful to see Reverend Father Anthony to introduce the new administrative member, Sister Nancy as principal, Sister Nancy as vice principal, and Sister Limmy as mother superior. It truly felt like a fresh beginning.
International Yoga Day.
Sambhavi, the International Yoga Day on June 21, was such a wonderful event, don't you think?
Definitely. The energy and participation from both students and staff were amazing. It was a great way to promote physical and mental well-being.
International Anti-Drugs Day. The Anti-Drugs Day was impactful with a rally and street plays, raising awareness about the harmful effects to drug abuse.
Of course, it was a powerful event with students pledging to live drug-free lives and promoting health and well-being in our community.
Doctors Day. The National Doctors Day was such a meaningful celebration honoring the dedication of medical professionals.
Yes, Dr. Shivani Malviya along with the other doctors truly made the event special. The medical checkup camp was a great initiative providing essential health services to the students.
Shreya, do you remember the celebration of Reverend Father Anthony's birthday? It was so heartful and vibrant, wasn't it? Exactly. The prayer dance, the peace message by Mr. Altaf, and the student cultural program and massive flowers and bouquets all came together beautifully to honor our beloved manager. We love you, Father. Guru Purnima. The school celebrated Guru Purnima, a festival dedicated to honoring and expressing gratitude and fostering respect for teachers and mentors. Investiture ceremony. We, the Nirmalites, witnessed a momentous occasion, prestigious investiture ceremony. This was the day when our newly appointed students, leaders, are trusted with the responsibilities of guiding their peers. This was a great moment of pride and enthusiasm as they stepped into their roles. Shreya, do you remember the plantation day? Oh yes, how I forgot the plantation drive Ek Ped Ma Ke Naam was organized with the participation from school management, teachers, students, promoting environmental awareness, symbolized growth, responsibilities and the commitment to preserving nature.
Pihu, the Akshararam Divas. Pihu, the Akshararam Divas was such a heartwarming occasion, marking the beginning of an exciting journey for our young student into the world of letter and literacy.
Absolutely, Ayushi. With Father Frijo presiding as the chief guest, the atmosphere was filled with excitement and enthusiasm. The little ones were so eager to take their first steps into education. And it was beautiful to see how the entire school community, teachers and parents alike came together to support them. Independence Day. Ayushi, what about Independence Day?
Pihu, the 78th Independence celebration is on August 15, was truly memorable. The entire event was filled with pride and patriotism.
Exactly. The warm welcome to the chief guest, Mr. Sanjay Chaurasia, Tehsildar of Siranj, captivating band performance, and hosting of the national flag made it such a grand start to celebration.
Raksha Bandhan. The visit to Latiri jail to celebrate Raksha Bandhan was such a meaningful and unique experience, wasn't it?
Of course, the students, teachers and school management came together to spread the spirit of Raksha Bandhan, bringing the festive spirit to life.
Janmashtami. The Krishna Janmashtami celebration is on August 24th, was full of joy, especially with the fancy dress competition for nursery to class 4.
Exactly. It was amazing to see so many students dressed as Radha and Krishna, bringing the festive spirit to life.
National Sports Day. Pihu, the National Sports Day is on August 29, was full of energy, especially with the tug of war and volleyball match bring everyone together.
Yes, the ladies tug of war and gents volleyball match were not only exciting but also showcased the true spirit of sportsmanship and teamwork among the teachers.
The tribute to Dr. Momita Devnath. The tribute to Dr. Momita Devnath on August 30th was very emotional and significant moment for all of us.
Yes, the drama presented by the students was touching and musical tribute by the teachers added a personal and heartfelt note. Reverend Sister Tansy address about ensuring a safe environment for girls was a powerful message for everyone.
Teachers Day. Pihu, the teacher celebration was such a memorable event full of gratitude and joy for our teachers.
Yes, the students' performances including dances, dramas, skate and prayer song were amazing. The games like musical chairs and couple dance brought out fun and joy, reminding us of the child within.
Prayer Day. The Prayer Day on October 4th was such a peaceful and meaningful event organized by the Peace Club members. Yes, it was beautiful to see students from all four religions come together for prayer sessions that celebrated their respective beliefs. The focus on spiritual connections and inner peace made the day truly special. World Sight Day. Shriyanshi, the eye checkup camp on October 10th was an important initiative, especially in light of World Sight Day. It was great to see the school take steps to promote eye health among students. Absolutely. The training for teachers by the Sadhguru Seva Sangh Trust was so valuable and empowered them to conduct preliminary screening, guide students properly. The Maulana Abul Kalam Azad with the morning assembly emphasizing the importance of education. Exactly. The speech competition was inspiring, seeing young students from class 2nd to 5th express their thoughts with such confidence and creativity. The quiz competition teachers added an element fun while also encouraging learning among the staff. Children's Day. Children's Day at Nimla Convent was such a fun-filled celebration. The morning assembly with Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's inspiring address set a wonderful tone for the day, and the students truly enjoyed the events that followed. All their performances were done by our beloved teachers. Song, dance, fashion show, humorous skit, aerobics display. Every segment was filled with energy and creativity. Thank you, dear teachers. We love you a lot. Constitution Day. The Constitution Day at Nimla Convent was truly inspiring. The special assembly where everyone read the preamble together was a powerful moment, and Miss Sophia's briefing about the importance of the day made it even more meaningful. It was a moment bright when head boy Harshvardhan Tiwari recite the Constitution Day. Oath Reverend Sister Tansy message emphasized the need to uphold these ideals. Yellow Day. The school celebrated Yellow Day with great enthusiasm to mark the autumn season. The event aimed to recognize vibrancy and positivity associated with the color yellow, bringing joy and energy to the campus. The young students came to school with dress showing various yellow shades.
Vani, the Titis trip to Agra and Delhi on 9 February was such a refreshing experience. Visiting the Taj Mahal and exploring the historical wonders of Taj Mahal were not just a getaway but a fantastic opportunity for relaxation and bonding. Everyone returned with renewed energy and great memories.
Yes, Shivansh, the trip was a perfect way from routine, and it was a great to see the star building, food sightseeing and team building activities. It was a truly enriching experience for all involved.
Speaking of adventurous, the PA adventure trip to Pachmani for class 11th and 12th students was such a thrilling experience. They got a chance to engage their activity and test their physical strength and teamwork, all the other guidance of Father Nanchani and PE teachers.
Absolutely. The students had a great time with trekking, rock climbing and other activities. It was not just a fun but also a wonderful learning experience for everyone.
The fun city trip for the students from class 6 to 8 on November 11th was a blast. The kids had the entire day fun, rides and adventurous. The smile on their faces said it all.
Right. It was a perfect way to give a student break while enjoying some outdoor fun. Everyone had a memorable day at Fun City Bhopal.
The tall commercial rain has an eye-opening visit to Sundar Fund Industry and solar farms at Hura Khedi. It was great hands-on learning as those who real world applications of their academic lessons.
Yes, it was a perfect way to connect theory with practice. The student learned so much about the industries and the business world, which will surely will benefit in the future.
Finally, the excursion to Mysore and Bangalore was such a fantastic journey. The students got a chance to explore the culture, history and beauty of both cities and making unforgettable memories together. Orientation program. Seminars are a great way to learn new things and connect with experts. This year we had some amazing sessions where students and teachers got to hear from inspiring speakers ask questions, and explore exciting ideas.
As the new academic year 2024 to 2025 began, the school conducted orientation training program for our teacher, emphasizing the importance of ongoing professional development.
These programs introduce innovative teaching methods, focusing on student-centered approach that makes learning both effective and enjoying.
We had a special game this year to talk about rights and duties of the student. It was great session where everyone learned important topics like right to education, safety and equality.
This year, we had fire safety training session where we learned how to prevent fire and use fire extinguishers properly.
Exactly, it was really helpful. The hand-on experience and learning the evaluation routes gave me more confidence in case of an emergency.
Remember the traffic awareness program we had at school? It was conducted by the police officials and it was so informative.
Yes, I remember. The program focused on teaching us about road safety rules like wearing helmet, using seat belt and following traffic signals. The speaker from police department did a great job for explaining how important it is to follow these safety measures.
Hey Keshvi, can you recall any unique initiative started this year initiated by our beloved principal?
Yes, I do. The general body meeting of parents that was arranged class-wise from nursery to class 12 this year. It was great opportunity for everyone to connect.
The formation of Parent-Teacher Association was a great initiative to strengthen the relationship between parents and teachers. It gave parents a voice in school activities and helped them to stay more involved in their children's education.
Exactly. It also provides a platform for discussing way to improve school environment and support student development. I think it's going to make a big difference in how we all work together. The PTA meeting have already helped us to build a strong sense of community, and it's great to see parents and teachers collaboration for the benefit of the student.
Do you remember the parent seminar on successful parenting we had this year? It was really insightful.
Yes, the seminar was so helpful. The experts shared practical tips on how we all work together. Sports. This year has been nothing short of extraordinary. From academic milestones to cultural events and from innovative projects to sports drums, our school has continued to nurture excellence in every field.
Speaking of field, sport deserves a special mention at our school. Sports are not just an extracurricular activity, but a way to build character, leadership, and teamwork.
Remember the sports meet we had this year? It was amazing how many different games we got to play.
Yeah, I really enjoy the kabaddi and the kho-kho matches were just as competitive.
Definitely. And then there was football. I think that was one of my favorites. The matches were so thrilling with everyone giving their best on the field.
Football was great. Volleyball was a hit too.
Right, and don't forget cricket. It was a big event with everyone cheering for their teams. We had some amazing bowling and batting moments.
Cricket was so much fun, especially the final match. And of course, the athletic games were fantastic.
Social work. As we reflect on the year gone by, one of the most meaningful aspects of our journey at Nimla Convent Higher Secondary School has been our commitment to social responsibility and community service. Absolutely. Our students not only excel in academic and extracurricular activities, but also in giving back to society. The spirit of kindness and empathy run deep within our school, and this year we have taken several steps to make a real difference. Do you remember the cycle rally we did for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? It was so inspiring to see everyone come together for cleanliness. Yes, I was amazed by how much we were able to educate the villagers about hygiene. Distributing sanitary items and conducting the street play really made an impact. Also, our students participated in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in Balrampur for raising awareness about cleanliness and sanitation amongst the villagers. Our students were truly engaged in the rally, holding banners and shouting slogans to spread the message of cleanliness. The students also distributed sanitary things, soaps and other hygiene products to villagers, especially focusing on women and children. Also, the student conducted the street play and had interactive session. demonstrated the significance of washing hands and maintaining personal hygiene. Diwali gifts for the needy ones. Agrima, I am so glad we could contribute to the Diwali gift collection drive for the underprivileged. It feels good to know that we are making a real difference in our community. It was great seeing by how everyone come together to donate stationery and grocery. I am excited that we were able to bring a little joy to those in need, especially with Diwali coming up. We, the management staff and the students, are thanking our Almighty God for His supreme protection, enormous blessings and graceful presence. We are focusing on the students' all-round personality and to make them a fruitful citizen with values. I take this opportunity to thank Right Reverend Dr. James Sati Kalam, the Bishop of Sagar, SDM of Sirunj, Mr. Harshal Chaudhary and Umesh Soni, the BO of Sirunj, for your valuable time and support to this institution. I conclude the report with a quote of Martin Luther King: "Intelligence plus character, that is the true goal of education." Thank you. Our young minds. Now we are honored with our esteemed and most awaited guest of honor, SDM Mr. Harshal Chaudhary. Please step ahead and reveal the marvel.
Respected President, Bishop of Sagar, Sister Tensi, I have found the most active sisters in Nirmala till date I have joined here. Father Anthony, BO, other staffs, school teaching staff as well as the non-teaching staff who has actually made this program a grand success. I would like to thank Nirmala management for inviting me to such a phenomenal event today. I was actually thrilled to see the fairy dance which was on the way when I was along with the guests when I was entering it. I'm again thrilled to see the annual report which is actually the panorama of things Nirmala Convent has been doing, from visits to Bangalore, from visits to Mumbai, to Plantation Day, to Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, all the initiatives which we have been doing in the government setup. Parallelly, the things have been going on in schools, which shows that you're actually making students also aware of the things in the panorama and what not. That is what a student should learn from school, and this is something for which I would really like to congratulate the Nirmala Convent team. One more thing which I genuinely liked about the annual report presentation was, I don't know whose idea was that, but giving a dozen of children, 2 dozen of children an opportunity to come before the stage and read out a single page of single achievement, it is actually something valuable in vanishing the stage fear of students. So I loved the way the annual report was presented. It would have been presented in a simple manner by a couple of students telling about the whole report, but the way it was presented was very good. Okay, coming back, when I was invited by a sister to this annual function as a chief guest, I was asked by her कि सर आपको स्पीच देनी होगी. मुझे एक बात याद है, मेरे बाबा को एक स्कूल में चीफ गेस्ट के रूप में एनुअल फंक्शन में इनवाइट किया गया था और उस समय मैं क्लास 5 में था. उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि बेटा मैं स्पीच में ऐसा क्या बोलूं जिससे तुम बच्चों को अच्छा लगता है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, बाबा आप कुछ मत बोलो, आप लोग बोलते हो हमको बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता, हमारे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा बोरिंग होता है वो. दिस टाइम व्हेन आई वाज इनवाइटेड, तो फिर मुझे वही बाबा वाली बात याद आई कि मैं ऐसी क्या बात करूं जिससे शायद बच्चों को अच्छा लगे. तो मैं आपसे कुछ 2-4 वही बात करूंगा जो आपको समझ में आती हैं, जो आपकी रेलेवेंस की हैं और जिनसे आप थोड़ा सा खुद को रिलेट कर पाएंगे. सबसे पहले हम ये बात करते हैं कि इस स्टेज में, एट दिस पर्टिकुलर एज ऑफ प्राइमरी एज, और व्हेन अ स्टूडेंट is in his initial stages of education, we live in a society where we always tag these students कि ये बच्चा पढ़ाई में अच्छा है. This is especially for the parents sitting in front of me कि ये बच्चा पढ़ाई में अच्छा है. मेरे 2 बेटे हैं तो बड़ा वाला पढ़ाई में तेज़ है, छोटा वाला उतना तेज़ नहीं है, उसका खेल में ज़्यादा मन लगता है. We keep on tagging students in such a manner. I want to tell you a story which will vanish this thought from your mind. एक आपने सदियों के बहुत बड़े साइंटिस्ट का नाम सुना होगा, थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन. वो जब बहुत छोटे थे तो उनकी एक टीचर थी, उन्होंने एक पेज में एक नोट दिया, एक लेटर दिया, और उन्होंने छोटे से थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन को, हु वाज माइट बी इन क्लास 1 और 2 और समथिंग, उनको भेजा कि बेटा ये जो नोट है ना, ये अपने केवल मम्मी को दिखाना, तुम्हारी मम्मी को ही पढ़ाना या और कोई ना पढ़े। वो बच्चा नादान सा अपनी मम्मी के पास वो लेटर लेके जाता है, उनकी मम्मी को बोलता है कि मम्मी मैम ने बोला है, प्रिंसिपल मैम ने, कि ये लेटर सिर्फ आपको ही मैं दिखाऊं, आप बताइए तो इसमें क्या लिखा है। ही वॉज नेचुरली वेरी क्यूरियस व्हाट हिज टीचर हैज़ रिटन फॉर हिम। उसकी माँ वो लेटर पढ़ती है और उसकी आंखें भर जाती हैं, वो रोने लगती हैं, बहुत व्याकुल होने लगती हैं। बच्चे को लगता है कि मम्मी ऐसा क्या लिखा है। मम्मी बोलती हैं कि बेटा इसमें लिखा है कि आप बहुत ब्रिलियंट हो, आप बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सीलेंट हो, और आप इतने ज़्यादा ब्रिलियंट, इतने ज़्यादा होनहार हो कि आपको उस स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ा सकते टीचर्स, आपको बोला गया है कि आप खुद पढ़ाएं, मम्मी पढ़ाएंगी अब बच्चे को, स्कूल इनको नहीं पढ़ा सकते, कुछ ज़्यादा ही ब्रिलियंट है। माँ रोती रहती है, बच्चे को समझ में नहीं आता, बच्चे को लगता है शायद मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट हूँ। उसके बाद से थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन कभी स्कूल नहीं गए। हिज मदर यूज्ड टू टीच हिम। यू नो 19th सेंचुरी का सबसे बड़ा जो इन्वेंशन था, कैन स्टूडेंट्स टेल मी व्हाट थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन इन्वेंटेड? दैट वाज अ बल्ब। सो दैट वाज कंसिडर्ड द बिगेस्ट इन्वेंशन ऑफ 19th सेंचुरी। ही केम आउट टू बी द बिगेस्ट साइंटिस्ट। That invention came out to be the biggest invention of the whole century. Of course, his mother died by the time he invented the bulb. Time passed by. एक दिन अल्वा एडिसन अपने घर की सफाई करते हुए वो क्लोजेट, वो अलमारी को देख रहे थे, उसमें वही लेटर उनको मिला जिसको उस टीचर ने मम्मी को दिया हुआ था। जब वो उस लेटर को पढ़ के देखते हैं तो उसमें लिखा रहता है कि आपका बेटा मानसिक रूप से विकलांग है, मानसिक रूप से क्षुब्ध है, उसको हमारे स्कूल जैसे स्कूल में पढ़ाई मत करवाइए, आप उसको किसी मेंटली रिटार्डेड स्कूल में डाल दें। बट लिसन, ये जो मैं बता रहा था कि उनकी माँ को वो लेटर पढ़ के जो आंसू आ रहे थे वो क्यों आ रहे होंगे, बट शी समहाउ, उस माँ ने उस बच्चे के सामने लेटर पढ़ने से छुपाया, बिकॉज वो नहीं चाहती थी कि उसका कॉन्फिडेंस वो पढ़ के डाउन हो। उन्होंने खुद से बच्चे को मोटिवेट किया, खुद से पढ़ाया, एंड शी डिलीवर्ड द बिगेस्ट साइंटिस्ट ऑफ द सेंचुरी। सो दिस आई वांट टू टेल यू, अल्वा एडिसन ने बाद में एक बुक लिखी थी, उसमें उन्होंने ये बात बोली थी कि थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन वाज अ मेंटली डेफिशिएंट चाइल्ड हुज मदर रिटर्न्ड हिम टू बी द जीनियस ऑफ द सेंचुरी। सो दिस इज फॉर द पेरेंट्स कि आपका बच्चा पढ़ाई में कमतर है या आपका बच्चा पढ़ाई में अच्छा है, ये बिल्कुल भी डिपेंड नहीं करता कि समाज, सोसाइटी, वहाँ के टीचर्स उस बच्चे पे क्या टैग लगा रहे हैं। इट इज़ यू हु हैज़ टू बिल्ड योर चाइल्ड, इट इज़ यू हु हैज़ टू मेंड योर चाइल्ड। जैसे एक मटके को मिट्टी से मटका बनाया जाता है, जिस तरीके से मे बी दी गोल्ड स्मिथ्स और मे बी हीरा तराश लोग एक पत्थर को हीरा बना देते हैं, तो उस पत्थर को हीरा बनाने वाले हीरा तराश आप हैं, एज अ पेरेंट, एज अ टीचर, एज अ सोसाइटी। So never, first of all, the first message which I wanted to conclude is never tag your students. उसके ऊपर कभी भी कोई टैग ना लगाएं। उसके पास असीम संभावनाएं हैं, उसके पास असीम अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं। You just have to motivate him or her and she will definitely succeed in life. Secondly, the second message which I want to give to students, ये students के लिए है। Can students tell me which is the largest animal? What is the largest animal? Maybe your answer would be elephant or blue whale, right? Which is the tallest animal? सबसे ज़्यादा ऊंचा कौन सा जानवर है? That is giraffe. Okay. What is the fastest animal? Cheetah. Yes. Who is the king of the jungle? Is he tallest? No. Is he fastest? Is he the biggest? But why is he the king of the jungle then? Because of his leadership skills. लायन में वो लीडरशिप स्किल्स हैं जो टॉलेस्ट एनिमल में, फास्टेस्ट एनिमल में, मोस्ट क्लेवर और वाइजेस्ट एनिमल में नहीं है। सो यू हैव टू डेवलप द लीडरशिप स्किल्स इन यू, बिकॉज द कंप्लीट फॉरा इज ऑल अबाउट लीडरशिप, द मैनेजमेंट। आप इस एनुअल रिपोर्ट को देखने के बाद तो मैं डेफिनेटली बोल सकता हूँ कि निर्मला इज़ डेफिनेटली क्रिएटिंग लीडर्स, बट यू हैव टू बी द लीडर इन योरसेल्फ टू। आप काम करें, आप घर का काम करने से कोताही ना बरतें। इफ़ देयर आर गर्ल्स, बर्तन धोना कोई बुरी बात नहीं होती है, लेट मी टेल यू। इफ़ यू आर अ गाय, संडे के दिन में घर में झाड़ू पोछा करना कोई बुरी बात नहीं होती है. यू डू दैट. यू पेंट, यू प्लांट ट्रीज, यू सिंग. इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स मंगवाओ मम्मी पापा से, स्कूल के इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स लो, गिटार बजाना सीखो, हारमोनियम बजाना सीखो, तबला बजाना सीखो. गो आउट फॉर रनिंग, डांस करो, जो करना हो करो. दैट विल कीप ऑन डेवलपिंग द लीडरशिप स्किल्स इन यू, एंड दैट इज अगेन वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट इन बिल्डिंग कॉन्फिडेंस. टुडे a student who is confident enough in the school time is the only one who actually achieves the various stages of success in life. So आप अपने आप को केवल और केवल पढ़ाई के दायरे में सीमित मत रखें, केवल और केवल बुकिश नॉलेज, रॉट लर्निंग ना करें, but try to develop various other qualities which bring out the leader in you, and that is important. You don't have to be the fastest or tallest for that. This was the second message which I wanted to tell you. तीसरी चीज़ मैं सभी पेरेंट्स और सभी बच्चों को बताना चाहता हूँ, बेटा आप एक चीज़ समझें, लाइफ में बहुत जल्दी सक्सेस पाने का, सक्सेसफुल होने का, समाज में प्रतिष्ठा पाने का सबसे ज़्यादा आसान तरीका अगर दुनिया में कोई है तो वो है पढ़ाई. आप कोई भी बिजनेस खोलेंगे, आपको कंपटीशन फेस करनी है. आप किसी भी अदर परसूट में जाएंगे, आप एंटरप्रेन्योर बनेंगे, आपको मेहनत ज़्यादा करनी है, कंपटीशन ज़्यादा फेस करना है. बट वंस यू आर वेरी गुड इन स्टडीइंग, नो पावर इज़ देयर, कोई शक्ति नहीं है जो आपको सक्सेसफुल होने से रोक सके. सो नेवर टेक योर स्कूल एजुकेशन लाइटली. स्कूल एजुकेशन इज़ द बेसिक टेनेट, इट इज़ द मोस्ट फाउंडेशनल बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ द करियर ऑफ योर लाइफ. डू दैट, स्टडी वेल. पढ़ाई में इस स्टेज में ही आपको सबसे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है. डू नॉट गो फॉर रॉट लर्निंग. आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन अगेंस्ट रॉट लर्निंग. हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें आसपास, ओके लेट मी कम अप विद वन मोर कंसेप्ट. कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि हम अच्छा नहीं करते, हमारा रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं आता बिकॉज हमारा पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लगता. ऐसा है कोई यहाँ पे जो शर्म छोड़ के हाथ उठा सकता है? आई गेस nobody will say that. बट इसका सबसे बड़ा रीज़न ये होता है कि हम समझ के नहीं पढ़ते हैं. जो बच्चा कभी भी आंख बंद करके चीज़ों को रटने की कोशिश करेगा, ही विल नेवर एवर स्टडी. एंड दिस इज अगेन फॉर पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स. आई वुड लाइक निर्मला, आई वुड लाइक द होल मैनेजमेंट, एंड वेर एवर आई गो आई कीप ऑन सेइंग दिस, बिल्ड योर स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम द कोर. आप उनको वो फाउंडेशनल वैल्यूज सिखाएं. ओके, एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. 2 का टेबल सबको आता है यहाँ पे, एटलीस्ट सबसे छोटे बच्चे को भी 2 का टेबल आता होगा. हम क्या पढ़ते हैं 2 के टेबल को? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, राइट? आप लोगों की आवाज़ क्यों नहीं निकल रही है? 2 1s are 2 2s are, ये 2 2s are क्या होता है? If you write it 2 2s are, what is that? Has anybody thought about it? That is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. ये पता था किसी को? लेकिन हम बचपन से रट रहे हैं. हाँ, 1% लोगों को पता हो सकता है. दिस इज अगेन द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रॉट लर्निंग विच आई एम टेलिंग यू. नोबडी न्यू. आई न्यू इट लास्ट ईयर व्हेन आई रेड इट ओवर इंस्टाग्राम कि दैट इज 2 2s are 4. इवन आई डिडंट नो दिस, एंड आई हैव बीन रॉटिंग द टेबल्स फ्रॉम 16 to 32 to everything. So do not go for rot learning and try learning things from core. जब आप चीज़ों को समझ के पढ़ेंगे, this is from the academic point of view I'm telling you, अगर आप चीज़ों को समझ के पढ़ेंगे तो आपका किताबों में, चैप्टर्स में, कंसेप्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट आएगा और उसको आप ज़्यादा दिनों तक याद कर पाएंगे, उसको आप ज़्यादा रिलेट कर पाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट इज़ वेरी बोरिंग टू लर्न द कैपिटल्स ऑफ 206 कंट्रीज, बट when you start learning the capitals, seeing the geography, आपके सबके पास आजकल मोबाइल है, आपके पास कंप्यूटर लैब्स हैं, इंटरनेट कनेक्टेड है. जब आप उन कैपिटल्स का जोग्राफिकल लोकेशन देखते हैं, वो कैपिटल क्यों पड़ी, उसकी स्पेशलिटी क्या है, ये थोड़ी सी एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन आप देख लेते हैं तो रॉट लर्निंग भी ईजी हो जाती है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, आई हैव बीन द स्टूडेंट ऑफ हिस्ट्री. सो हिस्ट्री जो सबसे ज़्यादा बोरिंग लगता है बच्चों को कि सबसे ज़्यादा उसमें रटना पड़ता है, इवन दैट सब्जेक्ट बिकम्स इंटरेस्टिंग वंस यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग थिंग्स फ्रॉम द कोर, वंस यू स्टार्ट विजुअलाइजिंग द कंसेप्ट्स. तो ये एक और चीज़ मैं आप लोगों को बोलना चाहता हूँ. आई हैव नथिंग मोर टू से. Speaking in the stage before students with no response is again very tough. So I guess the messages which I have given will be followed by maybe the parents who are out here, the students, they will try to understand these things. Thank you again Nirmala management for inviting me. I always run short of time, but I was always thrilled when I was invited, and I have been waiting for this event because I have to go for a holiday for a week or something. So I was waiting this event to arrive soon, and I was waiting for 19th. So when again sister reminded me yesterday, I was very happy. Happy to see all those happy faces, the performing faces. There are, I guess, 27 events planned in the schedule. तो आपको बहुत देर तक पेशेंटली सुनना है, मैं पूरे समय तक रह नहीं पाऊंगा. ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू. चीयर्स. थैंक यू.